Good morning, guys. Today we are at a little, I don't even know where we are, but we're at a Kawartha meetup. The Kawartha Kayak Fishing Club is hosting a meeting. The president of the club, Steve Collins, got everybody together and he organized it really good because of COVID, social distancing and all that. So he had people unload the kayaks in waves. So waves 10, which is the permitted by the government right now. And the cool thing about this meetup is that we're also doing like a big bass derby. Whoever catches the biggest bass, everybody put in $10, and whoever catches the biggest bass takes home the entire pot. I think there's close to $200 in the pot. So to start the day, tied on a mega bass Italian, and then let's see how this goes. Well, that's not gonna win the pot. Saw these rocks here and I said perfect spot for cranking. Here we go. Just gonna measure this guy. Gonna put him in the leaderboard for quick pass. I don't think he's a winner whatsoever, but you never know. It's about 17 inches.